PostgreSQL. It is free and open source relational database management system (RDMS). Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Browser open Google search box lo enter PostgreSQL download. Enter key press postgre.org downloads. First link click. PostgreSQL official web page complete display. PostgreSQL downloads section lo supporting OS Linux, macOS, Windows, BSD, Solar is third one. Windows click. Windows installer section lo interactive installer by EDB. First one option. Download the installer. Red color highlighted words click. Download PostgreSQL. Open source PostgreSQL packages and installer from EDB. Related different operating systems and related options. First one option. PostgreSQL version latest 18.1. Fifth option. Windows x86_64. Related first one. Blue color download icon. Click. Your download should begin in a few seconds. PostgreSQL latest version 18.1.2 Windows x64.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 354 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Next installation setup. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo PostgreSQL exe file display. Select mouse double click. PostgreSQL.exe window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Setup PostgreSQL window lo second button next click. Installation directory. Please specify the directory where PostgreSQL will be installed. Application related installation path display in box. Local disk C program files newly created directory. Second button next click. Select components. Application related components 4 display in box. Default tick mark all options set. Second button next click. Data directory. Data directory related default path display. Local disk C program files. PostgreSQL folder subfolder 18 data. Default set. Second button next click. Password window. Please provide and password for the database. Password related box. Enter any one password. Second option. Re-entry password. First section related box as its same password enter in second box. Second button next click. Port window. Please select the port number the server. Default port number display in box. Second button next click. Advanced options section lo locate default display right side box down arrow click. Mouse scroll up. English option select. Second button next click. Ready to install window lo second button next click. Installing. Please wait while setup install PostgreSQL on your computer. Installing section lo application related files. Extracting process start. At the same time copying new files in your system. Wait and hear installation process completing. Completing the PostgreSQL setup wizard window. Second button finish click. Welcome to Stock Builder. Present unnecessary. Third button cancel click. Exit wizard window first button yes click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter pgadmin 4. Select pgadmin application related running process start. Wait and here few seconds. PG admin 4 complete interface. White color theme display window maximize. Welcome PG admin. Management tool for PostgreSQL. Left side first one servers related icon expand click connect to server window enter the password. Left side save password related box mouse left click second button OK click. Left side box PostgreSQL 18 version and second one databases expand icon click. First one databases 1 select mouse right click. First option create sub panel databases select enter the databases name Charitech. Bottom side third button save click created new Charitech databases. Gmas left side expand icon click tables option select mouse right click last one option query tools select enter the new database window minimize desktop window search box lo enter SQL shell first one select server localhost enter key press database postgres enter key press related port number display enter key press username postgres as its same enter key press password for user postgres already enter the password as its same enter in cursor enter key press PSQL installation latest version 18.1 display next enter the command dt enter key press